Welcome back to Channel 10's The Dumb Majesty of Animals. On today's show, we're going to be talking about the littlest and stupidest of all God's creatures, the possum. The possum eats bin dogs, hot dogs straight from the bin, living a bin dog lifestyle. The possum, if left out in the sun too long, spontaneously combusts. The only way to stop that from happening is by licking it. Go on, give that possum a lick. Give that little posse a lick. Lick the posse. Lick the posse. Go ahead and lick that posse. Look at me do it. Look at me lick the posse.